Hey everyone, so this video is all about how to add SUI network to MetaMask step by step. So if you type it on your web browser, there are multiple solutions related to how to add SUI network to MetaMask step by step. So among all of them, I've found a legit one which will work, and that's this one. So let me tell you how you can add SUI to MetaMask. So for that, you have to install the SUI Snap wallet. For that, visit the MetaMask Snaps directory and search for SUI in the search box and select the SUI Snap wallet by Kuna Labs or any other snap you wish to install. Like this, add to MetaMask, and after that, from the right hand side of the Snaps page, click add to MetaMask and follow the prompts from your MetaMask wallet to complete the installation process. So that's how you do it. Proceed with cautions, install SUI and confirm, and after that your SUI Snap wallet has now been installed, and follow the instructions and visit the Snap provider website to connect your wallet to MetaMask and view your account. So for that, you have to click connect and follow the prompt on your wallet to complete, and after that your account is now ready to use. You can find your wallet address at the top of the wallet interface. Click the copy icon to your address. The SUI Snap wallet is built for diverse use cases just like the normal wallet. Here are some operations you can carry out with your SUI MetaMask Snap. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.